Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will see how we can create a C project in Visual Studio and how we can run a C program. We will click on the Start button, search for Visual Studio, and we will open it up. Once Visual Studio is opened, we will click on Create New Project. And then here in this languages, we will select C++. Once we do that, we can see a lot of project options. If you don't see any options in here, then you have to click on this Install More Tools and Features. It will open up the Visual Studio installer. And here you have to install Desktop Development with C++. Once you install that, you will see all these project options for C++ language. Now here we will choose Empty Project and then we will click on Next. Here we have to give a name. So here I will say Hello C language, and you can give the name for the solution also. And after that we will click on Create and it will create a new project. Here in the Solution Explorer, we can see the solution name, which is Hello C language, and the project is created. Now here in this project, we can see this source files folder. We will select that and then we will right click. We will choose Add and then New Item. Here we will add a C source file. I have to provide a name. I will say hello. And then for the file extension, we will provide .c. By default, it will have .cpp, but we have to change that and we have to choose .c. And then we will click on Add. Once we do that, it will create this hello.c file. So what we do is we will write a very simple C program in here. Okay, now what I have done is I have created a very simple C program which will display hello world text on the screen. Now if you are new and want to learn C language, then I have a specific video series designed for absolute beginners. You guys can check that out. Now before running this project, what we do is we will select the project in Solution Explorer and then we will right click. Here we will scroll down and click on Properties. Here we will go to the General section and here we can find C language standard. We will click on this down arrow and we will choose Preview features from the latest C working draft. We will select that and then we will click on Apply and OK. Now after that we will run this project. Here I will choose Debug and then I will click on this local Windows debugger. Now it will build the project and it will run it. Here in this console window, we can see Hello World as the output. So this is how we can create a C project in Visual Studio, and this is how we can run a C program. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.